Teddy Bears.
And I'm Flint, and I'm the vocalist.
Hi, I'm Lee. I play guitars.
And I'm Aaron. I play the drums.
And this is Ezra. He's absent. He's the lead singer. Started sa office namin. Office mates kasi kami lahat. Pag tripan lang namin, tara, buo tayong banda. Drum lang. Ayun, tapos hanggang sa kumalat na yung nakita namin sila.
It's more of actually, punk rock talaga. Kasi yun yung naging common ground namin when we were forming the band.
So kasi,
Since I'm the youngest, yung mga dati pa mga Rage Against the Machine, Helmet,
nag-inspire sa akin na bumuo ng banda. Napanood yung Beatles, bata pa ang grade 1, grade 2.
Yung muna kasing banda, puro hardcore metal. Hatebreed, yung Lamb of God.
pinaka-base talaga ng gusto ko yung Dream Theater, yung progressive na atitugan nila. Almost a year na rin. March, started March last year. So, 1 year pa lang ang magkakasama.
Siguro yung attitude nyo lang pag natin so, pati energy.
Kasi, pag nakatog kami, masaya kami lahat na. Social.
Social lang, para makilala. Pati marinig yung music namin.
Kaya naman namin manalo pero sana. So, sana, oo.
Kahit top 5
bonus na lang.
Kahit top 5 lang okay na sa amin.
Pero experience pa lang. Manalo na.
Number 1 na.
Social.
Hi! We're
Golden Bears.
Big Mac for us at the Nokia Music Connection. Just type Google space Nokia space 11. That's for Golden 11. Hi, I'm Gerald.